All right, so I'm going to be making my Brazilian potato salad. I don't know. I mean, I know traditionally in Brazil we use a lot of peas and carrots in our potato salad. We use olives and stuff like that. But I also added, because my family makes it this way, hearts of palm. So like this, hearts of palm. Right?
It's backwards in mine.
Oh, it is backwards in yours. Peas and carrots, which we just use the can. That's the way we do it. Totally old school.
Do you rinse that?
No, we don't. Okay. We just drain it, you know.
Okay.
And then we used the Spanish olives that are already chopped up, mayo, salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and that's pretty much it. And that's our Brazilian potato salad, and it's a hit every time we make it because we're gonna do like a Brazilian barbecue today, like churrasco that we always do in the summertime, and that's one of the things that are go-to. It's the Brazilian potato salad. So, and we also add hard-boiled eggs. Yes. So I'll show everything once it's all, incorporated so you guys can see.
Pre-peeled potatoes, right?
I pre-peeled the potato. You don't have to, but I just figure it saves you so much more time to peel them and cut them into cubes like that. Sorry, it's still draining. This way it just saves you time on peeling and waiting and stuff. So that's already done. I'm going to get a big bowl.
They cook fairly fast that way.
Yeah, they cook faster. It saves you time, and then you're not sitting there burning your hands like half of the time we've done.
Yeah.
Do you want to start peeling the eggs for me?
Yeah, that's fine.
If you could do that, I'm gonna add the potatoes.
Hard-boiled egg. Best way to peel it when it comes right out and it's hot. Run it under cold water, and the shell pretty much pops right off of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What I usually do is I usually just tap the egg where you can hear where there's like the hollow point, and then that usually helps.
Becomes
too.
your point.
Yeah.
All
right, so we have that. I'm gonna open. Oh, we gotta cut the hearts of palm too. Hope everybody's enjoying this beautiful day outside. It turned out to be
where we're at. It's beautiful. I don't know where everybody else is at.
Yeah. Here, we're in Bucks County, and the sun is completely shining now, so it's really, really nice outside.
Do you have a refuse bowl in the sink? Can I use it? Is this?
Yeah, you can use that. Just dump it. So hearts of palm are like this. They come like this. They're the palm, they're actually the heart of a palm.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you think they taste like? What would you say?
They're close to. I don't know. They kind of have their own taste. They kind of taste like, marinated artichokes a little bit. They remind me of that, texture-wise, but taste-wise, they kind of have their own.
Yeah.
It's like a really fresh taste.
Yeah. We eat this so much in Brazil, hearts of palm. It's like one of our go-tos. I guess here artichokes are.
Yeah.
I guess I would say.
You can get them where you get. I mean, in the aisle with artichokes. I think they're often next to each other. I had never actually even known about them until I met you.
Yeah.
I never knew what they were.
Yeah, a lot of people don't really know what they are unless you come from a Latin family, unless there's not really sure if other countries eat hearts of palm as much as Latin America does, because we eat it a lot.
You guys got a lot of palm trees down there, that's why. I'm having an issue with this egg. Of course, it made a big liar out of me after I...
It's so easy. Once you get the skin from the egg, it should come everything should come right off. So what I'm doing is I'm just chopping up the hearts of palm. I know there's so many delicious potato salad recipes out there.
This is the best.
This is it's always...
I'm just saying.
Everybody that eats it always goes, oh my gosh, what is in that? Give me the recipe, please. Because I know here, traditionally, we have Irish potato salad, right? Or Irish? Or what is it? Amish potato salad?
German potato salad, Amish potato salad.
Did you say Irish potatoes?
You said Irish potato salad.
I did. But I feel like they're all delicious and everything, but I feel like they're kind of all the same base. I think German potato salad, you eat it hot, right?
Yeah, usually, yeah. And there's kind of a bit of a kraut to that. There's a sour part to that.
Do they put sauerkraut or something in there? Or?
I don't know if they use sauerkraut or if they use
I've never
cream.
made it, so
They might use sour cream to do it.
Oh yeah, that's a good.
Here's an egg.
What did you do to that egg?
I know.
What? Who peels an egg like that. What is
I'm
this?
kind of doing it on an
What
angle
is,
here.
Look, this is the skin that you don't want.
I know. I'm kind of doing it on an angle here. They're not cold enough.
So I'll help you too.
Because apparently I can't do it
no,
by myself.
No.
That's what she's saying.
No, I peeled it. I peeled all, or I did all my parts of palm already. Mm-hmm. So what we're going to do is we're going to dice the hard-boiled eggs too. And
we're using 4 of them because we're making a fairly big...
It's not that big.
I mean, it's not that big, but, you know, it's enough that it'll last, you know, if you're doing family of 4, it'll last you a couple days. Yeah. But it's good for gatherings too, like, you know, Memorial Day weekend and stuff like that.
Because everybody's having gatherings.
Well, yeah.
As much as you can have gatherings. Yeah. All right, and another trick I want to tell people about hard boiling eggs. When you put them in the pot, bring them to a rapid boil. When it's rapidly boiling for like 2 minutes, turn it off, leave it on the heat, okay, for 10 minutes. Don't touch them, just leave them there. The water, you know, just turn off the heat, just let it go. And then as soon as you peel them, you get like the best eggs. Like they're not overcooked, they're not over easy, you know, they're perfect.
Yeah. The yolk's a little, you don't want the yolk to get gray.
Yeah, you don't want the yolk to get gray.
And I know sometimes, like if you go to a store and they have pre-cooked hard-boiled eggs, a lot of times you open them up and the yolk's a little gray.
I think they put them in preservatives too to keep them that way.
Probably.
You know. So.
But yeah, I mean, I never knew that, and I always, I guess, overdid my hard-boiled eggs.
Yeah,
and
a lot of people
definitely taste different when you don't do that.
Yeah. I think a lot of people out there have an issue with hard boiling eggs. They always overdo them.
How did you do that?
How did I do what?
Peel that fast.
Well, I think the problem is that we let it sit in the water, like afterwards.
I didn't realize
just let
it was sitting.
Yeah. Make sure you rinse it though.
Yeah. Get the extra little shells off.
I think actually in Brazil too, there's other potato salads that I think they even add like apples.
I've had potato salads here to have apples.
Yeah, raisins or something like that.
Yeah, carrots. You know, I mean, you can really put anything in a potato salad, but
yeah. But this I think just gives you everything. Like, you know, there's that tang from the olives. There's the creaminess, obviously, from the mayo. Now, my grandmom, she would make mayo from scratch. Like, she would make the mayo, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, my gosh, it was so good.
It's just easy to do. I mean...
Because I think, if I'm not mayo is not a big condiment. I mean, it is somewhat in Brazil, but not as big as it is here, I don't think. Although they eat it a lot with, like the coxinhas and stuff that we have in Brazil. They eat it a lot with that.
Those are good too.
Yeah, we should make that live one day. Those are fun. All right, so the can of peas. I'm not a huge I've said this before too, even on my live show, like cooking live or whatever, like on TV. Not a huge fan of canned stuff. I think they have just so much preservatives in them. But this is what's in the recipe, and this is what we use. So I'm just keeping that tradition in that. So peas and carrots go in. What are you? What are you trying
I was going to show the yolk, but it just fell apart in my hand.
Well, you could have cut it in half first.
I know, I could have, but I didn't. So, oh well.
All right.
I messed it up.
Those are left.
All right, got that in there.
All right, so we're adding that, and then I'm going to add the Spanish olives that are already chopped up. You can buy them chopped up already, so you don't have to sit there and chop them. Drain that. Now, I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'll use half of this. So I'm taking some of that broth out. Brine.
What's everybody doing? What's everybody having today? Anything good? Eat, drink, be merry, hopefully. There's mine.
All right, so you can see, as of right now, there's the potatoes, the eggs, the peas, the carrots, and the olives are already in there. I'm trying to think. Should I just put the rest of that in there?
Might as well.
Yeah.
Did you rinse that?
So I put the whole thing in there. No, I don't rinse these either. They do not get rinsed. Nothing gets rinsed with this salad. I'm just keeping it the way it's supposed to be made. All right. You still season it because potatoes need salt. They crave salt.
Yeah, the starchiness, they suck up the salt.
So just, and then add a little and then try it and then see if it's good and then add more if you need to. And then some pepper. So we're going to add pepper in there.
I'm opening the mayo here. What's it? Okay. This mayo's got olive oil.
That mayo has olive oil in it already, but I'll still probably put a little bit in. All right, so I'm thinking about a cup of mayo you're going to need for this. Is give or take, depending if you like it really creamy. If you like it less, you can add less.
Yeah, I mean, we're doing a big batch here, so it's,
So I usually add, and then I go from there and see if I need more. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to need my big...
I think you definitely need more black pepper than that.
Oh, yeah, we'll add more.
Just because I'm a big black pepper fan.
Okay.
You want me to
mix that? Yeah.
What do you need me to do?
So I like to do it when it's somewhat warm still. I don't know. I feel like it just makes the mayo break down a little bit easier.
Mm-hmm. Then you pop it in the fridge.
And then you leave it in the fridge, yeah. Oh my god, that looks so good already.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm telling you, if you make this the day before too, it's even better.
Yeah, when it sits overnight, it really sucks up all the flavors.
My mouth is actually salivating right now.
What's up, Bill? Not a whole heck of a lot. There's not a whole lot going on. We're just, making potato salad.
All right, so I think at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil now, just because I like to add. I don't know if my family actually adds olive oil. I like to add it. Okay. I know we do the mayo always, but I like to add a little bit of olive oil.
God, my mouth is salivating.
Okay. So now we have to try it.
I'm not going to argue with that.
That's the, Oh my god, guys. I seriously wish I could share this with everybody. I think it needs a little more salt. What do you think? Or no?
Think more salt or more mayo?
More mayo?
More mayo.
More mayo? Okay. So now this is where you, like I said, you add a little bit at a time, and then you continue to add more if you need more.
With bacon? Well, of course you can put bacon.
Oh my gosh, you can totally put bacon in here.
Bacon is good with anything.
I actually have my bacon shirt.
Yes.
I haven't worn that in a while. It's my summer shirt. All right. Oh my god, this is perfect. All right, that's good with the mayo.
Yeah, I might have to try it again just to
make sure.
Just to see.
You could have gone right in the middle.
I could have, but I didn't.
You think now is good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, you try it. If that gets cold, that's going to be great. I like it.
That with the steak that we're going to do on the grill. And we're going to do some sausage on the grill. With this, I have some bruschetta, too, that I made.
Okay.
I think I'm going to make pão de queijo, too. Brazilian cheese bread, maybe. Okay. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I do have this recipe for sure on my website because I think I did it for foodnetwork.com one time. So it's actually on their, I think it's on their website too. Mm-hmm. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Just inbox me or whatever. But I hope everybody's having a good weekend and enjoying it. It's beautiful out here.
A good weekend.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Just gonna eat. Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.